Hi guys, welcome to Action World. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install the PUBG which is banned in India. Please go through all the video and let me know whether you are able to install or not in down below the comment section. To install banned PUBG, we required credit card or debit card. Actually, amount will not deduct. And at the same way, we required one VPN, which I'm going to here is Panda VPN. And you require an email, as you always knows Play Store requires email. I will suggest to go with a new email. That would be which I did for two mobiles. One is on OnePlus and one is on Honor Play. Both worked for me. Please go through all the video and let me know. In this process I used Panda VPN, which is from Play Store itself. You can download it. I installed a Panda VPN in my mobile. You can see that in my screen. I am connecting to server. You also connect to any one of the server. Here I connected to some server called, see, it will ask the some permission, you can give it. You can see there is a multiple options so that you can connect to any one of the servers. Some of the things are free only, you can use it for free. Once VPN got installed, I will suggest you to uninstall the PUBG. You don't need to worry, anyway we are going to install it back. So you don't need to worry, just uninstall it and try to install. It will show like something went wrong because we are not able to install it. So things what you have to do, you have to go to the app section. There you can find the Play Store. Play Store, you need to clear the storage and clear the cache, everything. Once it got cleared, see here I am clearing a cache, sorry, clearing the storage, everything. I did clear data and clear cache both. Once that is done, you can open Play Store once again. It will take some time after you clear the cache and whatever you did, clear the data, it will take some time to load. Once it loaded, you can search, you change the email ID. It will take some time initially because you already cleared the data. Once it got open, just click on three bars. You can see account there. In account there is a preference will be there. In preference you can get a like add credit card, debit card. You don't need to worry, no amount will get deducted. While adding the credit card, you need to choose the country. You can choose the country other than India and choose some details like city, and you give the pin code. Once that credit card got added, credit card or debit card added, you try to search the PUBG. You're able to see here, but once you try to install, it shows like something went wrong. For that, what you have to do, again you need to do that clear storage cache, whatever I have done, and you need to close all the apps which is recent apps opened. See, like you need to do that whatever the reload or clear data or clear cache again one more time. You have to do the same which I have done it before. Once clear cache, others what clear data done, you can try to open again Play Store. It will take some time. Then you can search for you change the email ID which you given the new details, and you search for PUBG, PUBG. Then you try to install it. Sometimes you will get something went wrong. Again what you have to do, you have to clear the data and everything, and you try it back. Definitely it works. It works for me two mobiles at the same day, today only. See, now it got installed. But it will be very slow because of you are using VPN. But once it got started, like some 2 or 3% got completed, then you can stop the VPN. Then it will be very fast, it can be downloaded. See, I am here skipping my video and I will show you once it got installed. I will show you the what is the new updates and everything to you. You can try it out. Definitely it works. It is a 100% success. You can try it out and let me know. See, now it started. It's getting downloaded. I will let you know. Now I am passing the video. I will show you once it got installed fully. See, now it's got installed completely. I will show you. See, this is the update on 7th September, which is yesterday, and you can see the about game, what and all it is there. It is installed on today only. I will open the game and show you how the new look it looks like. Just watch it.
Cause I'm a mother